Hello, guys. You're welcome to English class today. Today, we'll be talking about a part of speech that is used in place of a noun, and the part of speech is pronoun. What are pronouns? Pronouns are words that are used instead of nouns in order to avoid unnecessary repetition of nouns. Examples of nouns are some, that, are, in, this, I, us, we, and so on. Now let's look at examples of noun in this sentence. Adiola and his sister Mary enjoy eating their mother's food. So in this sentence, is and there is the pronoun in the sentence. So we use now to avoid unnecessary repetition of nouns. So instead of saying Adiola and Adiola's sister Mary enjoys eating Adiola and Adiola's sister's mother's food. So we use is and there. So we'll move on to types of pronoun. The types of pronoun we'll be discussing today are number one, personal pronouns, demonstrative pronouns, interrogative pronouns, and relative pronouns. So let's talk about personal pronouns. Personal pronouns are used for a specific person or object. And we have three cases with personal pronouns. We have the subjective case, the objective case, and the possessive case. So the subjective case is talking about what or who the sentence is about. The objective case is what or who is receiving the action in the sentence. And the possessive case is who the object belongs to in the sentence. Now let's look at example of personal pronouns. In this sentence, let's bring out the examples of personal pronouns. Can you help me wash a car? Can you help me wash a car? So we have you, me, and I. These are examples of personal pronouns. Number two, demonstrative pronouns. These are used to show one or more nouns that might be far or near in distance and time. Example, we have this, that, those, these. Now let's use the examples of demonstrative pronoun in a sentence. Which ball do you want? That's one. Interrogative pronouns. These are used to ask questions, and usually it starts with WH. Examples of interrogative pronouns are which, who, what, where, and why. Now let's use which is an example of interrogative pronoun in a sentence. Which ball is yours? So you can see that which is used to ask questions. Relative pronouns. Relative pronouns are used to connect clauses together. For example, we have which, who, whose, that, and whom. So in this sentence, my friends who are very happy, what relative pronoun there? Who. So guys, that will be all for today. I hope you've learned something. Do you have any question? Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye.